how to send files from one device to another. Make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. See here, this is pretty much the old screen. Once you have opened the device, we'll pretty much show you this section here. So either you're sending or receiving, all you have to do is tap on this one here, the 2 arrows pointing in opposite directions, and you will see the option for you to select whether you're sending or you're receiving a APK or app, whatever the case is. So for the first device, if you're sending something with that device, all you have to do is tap on the send option here, and it will ask permission as it relates to this. All you have to do is just make sure you have selected or gone through all of these features, then you tap next. It will just scan and look for the next device, and that's really pretty much it. Do make sure you go ahead before you do anything. Do make sure you go ahead and select whichever application you want to send, or at the top here you can also see other stuff as it relates to images, pictures, music, videos, all of those stuff, and also documents or files. So all you have to do is select what you want. Once you've done that, you press on the send option. We'll give you a little setup process here. Once you have completed everything here, it's very simple. Turn off VPN option there. You have the turn on the location option and also turn on your GPS and so forth. Very, very simple. So once you have done that, you tap on next. Make sure the next device that you have also is in the receive option. Once you have gone in the receive option, we'll pretty much just turn on it as hotspot and nothing more. So both devices will be searching for connection. Once connected, the files will be sent. Also, if you're in the option, once you're sending a file, you can also go ahead and still send files while other files are being sent. Once both devices connected, can still send more additional files if you forgot one. So in the social media section here, you can also download, just by pasting link, you can download any TikTok video, Instagram, one-stop story, and pretty much see all of those. I just pasted the link here, and it will just pretty much download it for you, and it will show up in this section here. The me option, nothing more, just your account information and the contact option there. So playlist, nothing much, just your music and all the music that's on your device. So very, very simple application to use, and you don't really have any option to really remove ads that much. And you can see here, you do get some settings feature here where you can put it in dark mode. In the settings option here, you can change the location of which the file goes, and you have some other settings here as it relates to file sharing and so forth. Nothing much that you would need to enable here. So very, very simple application to use. And if you do want to connect to other devices as it relates to laptops, whatever PCs, you can see here, you can go to this section here and do select the one that you want to connect with. So very, very easy application to use. And if I've missed anything at all, please comment below. See you guys in the next tutorial.